Hello, welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. I'm Lance, and today we're going to bring sort of like a family tradition back together. So, you know, it's the holidays when the country ham biscuits break out. I mean, it's not like you can't eat them all the time, but it just seems like during the holidays, thinly sliced country hams. We used to buy a whole country ham, cured ham, and you know, bake it and do whatever, however she wanted to cook it. The wife, you always cook those, that or my mother-in-law, and you just would slice it up for weeks to come. You know, eventually you have to just freeze it. But but you always see the little packets inside of the grocery store with thinly sliced ham. So today I'm going to do something a little different. I've got my a couple packets. I'm only going to use one because this is sort of an experiment of that country ham, cured ham, and I'm going to cook it on the Weber kettle. Put a little bit of that grilled taste to it, and then we're going to, instead of putting the biscuits or rolls in the oven to heat up, I'm going to put them on a Panini or the sandwich press, the Vivor sandwich press, and we're going to try them that way. We'll see if it's going to be a fail or if it's going to be a success. Stay tuned. Alright, this should be an extremely fast cook. So we only have one pack, like I said, of our ham slices. We're just going to put them on the grill. Just dropped a piece of pecan wood on there. Maybe we can get a little bit of flavor. But I've never smoked them like this, so first time for everything. Got a quick momentarily break in the traffic. Alright, we got them flipped. Can't put them on top of the fire. It's just too hot, meat's too thin. We'll bring you back. Alright, so what we are going to do, with this Vivor sandwich press being new to us, I'm still reviewing it. So we have it turned all the way up on high. The only thing that I will, advise you of is you're going to see some smoke coming off of it. The grates have been washed and everything, but you're going to see some smoke coming off of it, and you're going to have that odd smell. Not to worry, everything is fine, but just wanted to make you aware of that. So I have my heat gun here, and this is turned all the way up on max. So we're going to see how hot it gets on max, because the green light's on and it's telling us that it's ready. So it's only, right now it's only about 260, we'll say 260 degrees. So you see those lights that we talked about in our original review of this sandwich press. Red light indicates there's power to the unit, and the green light is letting you know that it has reached its temperature, its set temperature. Alright, we got our rolls cut up. I'm just going to dig in here savage style and start putting this ham on these rolls. Make sure we got them all covered, and then we'll go back and top them off with some more ham if we need to. Alright, so we did that with just enough cheese. For those that aren't really familiar with old ham, cured ham, country ham, whatever you may know it by. We know it as country ham, but a lot of people also call it old ham. It's just a cured ham. It's like a salt cured, sugar smoked, different ways to people, the common way is to do a salt cured and smoked. But one of the things that I have never remember ever having is these biscuits with cheese on them. So I'm going to try a couple of these with cheese and a couple without. We're not going to go real heavy on it, on the cheese. We can spread this out a little bit. I love these things, man. At this time of year around the holidays is when we really get into them. You start smelling these biscuits coming out. It's just holiday time. So what I am going to do is I'm going to, again, something we don't normally do, but you know, I'm going to do it. I'm going to use some of this cheap butter. Now, this is a new bottle. I'm trying Parquet this time. Still have some of the other one, but just want to try a different butter. And the only reason I'm even doing this is just to, you know, just sort of kind of get that golden color on these things here. So should have done the other side first, but we'll make this work. We'll bring it right back. So this is a non-stick surface, as I said in the review, but I just wanted to get some of that butter flavor on these rolls. The question is whether I can get all 6 of these on this griddle. Oh yeah, at one time. Alright, let's see how this Vivor sandwich press does. Oh yeah. That, my friends, looks excellent. We got the cheese. We'll put them up here. We got the non-cheese. We'll put them over here. Alright, this takes me way back, but absolutely excellent. That salt cured ham. I love this stuff. Well, great appetizers. We'll bring you back. There you go. The Vivor sandwich press. I'm impressed. Excellent. I do wish it got up a little bit hotter. I'm going to read the manual a little bit and see if there is an expected temperature on this thing, but I'm not complaining. I wanted to do some smash burgers on this sandwich press, but I'm not sure it's going to get hot enough for that. So we will do something else. I'm not worried about it. The country ham, biscuits, the cheese, that's a nice little texture. There's mozzarella cheese, nice little addition to it, but I can eat them without the cheese too. I love them no matter what. They're great appetizers. Again, it just makes me think of the holidays when these start coming out. And when you wake up to them in the morning, that smell, for breakfast even, out of this world. Try them. Country ham and some biscuits. Put them in the oven. You won't be disappointed, I'm telling you. I hate to eat and run, but I gotta run because I need to go eat. We'll talk to you later. I'm Lance from Sleeper Barbecue. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.